Hi folks, it's Björn here, and in my last video, everything you need to know about personal finance, I was mentioning that the bread and butter to get your personal finance in check is to open a checking account and not live from paycheck to paycheck. So, but why an online bank and not a brick and mortar bank? Well, unlike traditional bank accounts, online accounts reward you with a higher interest rate and your money grows even faster thanks to the compound interest, which lets you earn interest on interests. The higher your annual percentage yield, APY, the faster your money grows and you get a better return than you would with a traditional account from a brick and mortar bank. The national average APY on a checking account is just 0.04%. Imagine that, according to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. That's over 100 times less than what the highest yield checking accounts offer, what I'm telling you today. And as the inflation rate was last year 0.62%, but this year's estimate is 2.3%, we need to get a higher API as 2.3% theoretically just to compensate the inflation, which means your money is worth less in 2021 than it was last year. Ergo, you can buy less for your buck than last year. But remember, the best checking accounts or online bank have features that closely match your habits and preferences for managing your daily financial transactions. That means finding an account with a healthy mix of low fees, low minimums and nearby ATMs, interest earnings or high APYs, and overall experience matter as well. And at the end of the video, I will tell you as well what are the most important things to consider when choosing an online bank. Doesn't matter which country you are living in. But now let's have a look at the bank with the highest APY, the Consumers Credit Union, based in Gurney. The credit union, founded in the 1930s, offers an array of products for consumers, including checking accounts, saving accounts, certificates, CDs, home loans, auto loans, and credit cards. Perhaps the most notable aspect of the Consumer Credit Union products is the APYs, the annual percentage yields, for its rewards checking accounts. They are among the highest interest rates available for checking accounts in the US, although there are some strings attached. While it maintains branches only in Illinois, Consumer Credit Union (CCU) welcomes customers from throughout the nation. The required membership in Consumer Cooperative Association is available to all for $5 membership fee. The checking account. If you are looking to stash up to $10,000 in an interest-bearing checking account, CCU supplies several appealing options. The credit union's basic no-fee checking account offers no interest yet no minimum balance. It rewards checking accounts to provide interest. The rewards accounts require a minimum initial deposit of $5 to maintain your membership, basically. Depending on which requirements you meet, a CCU rewards checking account pays, attention, 0.01% up to 4.09%. The top three tiers of this type of account offer APYs exceeding many competing savings accounts and checking accounts. The APYs for the top three tiers apply to balances of $10,000 or less. Above $10,000 up to $25,000, the APY for all three tiers is 0.20%. If the balance is higher than $25,000, the API for those three tiers is 0.10%. So it makes no sense to have more than 10K on this account, obviously. The basic requirements for rewards checking accounts include, attention, 12 debit card purchases per month, ACH deposits, direct deposits or mobile check deposits totaling at least $500 each month. Next one would be enrollment and e-documents. Meeting these basic requirements will result in monthly AMM fees being refunded. To qualify for the 4.09% APY, an account holder must meet the basic requirements and make at least $1,000 in purchases per month on a CCU Visa credit card. At the 3.09 level, the requirements are the same, except the threshold for monthly credit card purchases are $500. To earn the 2.09% APY, you must meet only the basic requirements. For a rewards account that fails to meet even the basic requirements, the APY is 0.01%. So, what are the pros and the cons here? Well, the pros here: CCU is open to consumers nationwide for a $5 membership fee, which can be seen as well as a con, but I list it as a pro because we have a nationwide service here. The next one would be the bank has high APYs for rewards checking. Another is access to more than 5,000 shared credit union branches and has access to more than 30,000 ADMs. The cons. Well, perhaps you realized I did not mention the savings account. That's because it's not worth mentioning. Other than that, we have as well that you need to meet the requirements to earn the high APYs for the rewards checking. So, the conclusion is that this bank is something if you want to have the highest APY available, but let me know in the comment box below if you know other banks with low fees and high APIs. And as promised, here's some tips what to consider in order to choose the right online bank. Doesn't matter which country you are living in. Well, on first, the fees. Pesky fees can quickly eat into your overall bank balance. So look for an online bank that keeps fees of all types to a minimum. That includes monthly fees, overdraft fees, and ATM fees. It's even better if the bank reimburses for third-party ATM charges. So analyze your banking behavior to figure out which fees you need to worry about the most. You can often avoid fees with the right bank. The second would be the APYs. If you're looking to get the most for your money, find a bank that pays competitive APYs on its financial products. Online banks tend to pay higher rates, so do some comparison shopping to get the best rates you can, like watching my video. So as well, check out the minimums. Lower minimum deposits and balance requirements generally make it easier to maintain an account. Find an online bank with minimum requirements that meet your financial comfort level. The products. The online bank you choose depends heavily on the products you need. Some online banks are full-service financial institutions offering checking, savings, and money market accounts, CDs, and other products. The next one is the ATM network. If having access to cash is important, look for an online bank that offers an extensive fee-free ATM network. Check the bank site to make sure there are ATMs close to your location or in the areas where you travel most. And the most important is as well the customer experience. Online banks typically don't offer branch access. If they do, it's often limited. That's why it's essential to keep customer support in mind when shopping for an online bank. So look for a bank that offers easily accessible customer service representatives or online chat alternatives. Digital banking experience. Convenience is crucial in the world of digital banking. With an online bank, your primary interaction takes place via bank's website and mobile apps. The best online banks provide a simple online interface and highly rated mobile apps for banking on the go. Check out the reviews of the mobile apps and on the App Store and Google Play. But, however, before signing up to any bank, please do your own research. Alright? Well, that's been said. That's for today. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Focus and don't get greedy. See you next time.